I want enjoy, I want chop life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new. If you're not, go ahead and take a seat. It's been a while. Today we're going to install this 13 blonde straight lace wig. You see the lace is awesome. I love it. Here I'm mentally preparing because I don't know what I'm in for. Here I'm showing you the construction, which is one clip in the front, 2 clips on the side, 1 clip in the back, and 2 adjustable straps. So I don't know if I was cringing because this whole wig is one color, but I went ahead and I tinted that lace with my medium dark brown lace tinting spray by Now I'm going into seal in the tint with the Got to Be Free spray. Works wonders, y'all. Works wonders. Y'all, look at the difference that lace tint made. Like, it tinted it perfectly. Y'all about to see this. Y'all about to see this magic. Now making sure that the wig fits my head. I do have a small head and this wig came pretty big, but I'm gonna make it work. Watch this. Here I'm going ahead and I'm applying my lace spray. I have not utilized glue the entire time. Just wanna let y'all know. Now I'm just taking my wax stick and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my edges as well as around that part to make sure that there are no flyaways. As y'all can clearly see, I didn't need the hot comb, but if you're like me, the wig was straight, but not straight enough. Okay, so we're gonna go in and we're gonna do some customizations, and this was part of that. Look at that. So now I'm gonna go in with my Proclaim Heat Protecting Gloss. Makes this hair nice and shiny. Also protects from the heat. Just like our regular hair, we do need to protect from heat. So you already know. y'all can see, I'm feeling myself. But I mean, who wouldn't? Like, look at this. This is the final look. Again, this is installing the wig with no glue. Let me know in the comments what you think. Peace.